CapCut has now made some of their free features pro, which means you can no longer access these features for free again. And we all need those features to create a clean, clear and a stunning video. Of course, this isn't my background and my voice audio isn't as clear as this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to use the change background feature, which is a pro package, and the enhanced audio features, which is the pro package, and still download the video for free, and how you can do yours and get that your 4K clean and clear video together. So don't miss any part of this video. Let's edit and get that clean 4K video together. So here in CapCut, click new project, click your picture and look for the background that you have downloaded that you want to use for the video. So this is the background. So next, click on overlay and add the video you have recorded that you want to change the background and work on. So this is the video. So I will just do I won't do merge. I will just go back and click on the background that I imported, and use this white line to drag to where the video ends. Make sure when doing that it ends exact where the video is supposed to end, and after doing that, delete the CapCut watermark you see at the ending of the video, because that is important. You don't want your video to be showing CapCut watermark, so delete that part of the CapCut watermark from the video. So next here, you just scroll and go to aspect ratio and place in YouTube aspect ratio 16.9. so this is for the YouTube aspect ratio. Then come back to edit and go straight to remove background from your video. Click your video and click on the remove background feature rather, and allow it to load. So this is it. So just use your finger to place the video at the part where you want it to be. Zoom, slide, just make fun while doing this. Just use your finger to do a little bit of adjustment. So this is it. It's giving everything it should be given. So I just want to look if it laps well with the background. So this is good. I want to do a little bit of adjustment. Make sure when you are doing this, your video is perfectly laid to avoid glitch and to avoid having CapCut watermark in the video. So this is for it. So next we are going to edit and click on reduce noise. Firstly, you have to reduce the noise from the video. Click on that, then head over now to enhance voice effect feature. Yeah, this is it. Turn it on, then click that here. So after the enhance feature, head over to effects and click video effect, and in the search bar include blur. So it's going to pop up a blur effect. So click on the first one and do a little bit of adjustments to get to the popping size which you want the background to pop. So I'm making use of, I think this should be good. This is okay. Just make sure that the background isn't too poppy. So click on the effects, that thing that is like under the video. You click on it and draw it with a white line to the ended part of the video. So this is it. So this is it. I've drawn it to the ended part of the video. So CapCut is trying to make a fool out of us. They don't know that while we were busy enjoying the free package, we have learned all that needs to be learned. Like, if you want to be ad on us, we will be ad on you too. So next, you are going to caption, because I was observing that few people was asking how to do caption. So click on your caption, click on text, then click on auto caption, then click on the one you want and allow it to auto generate. So this is it right now. It's generating as I'm speaking to you. Each word I speak is generating in the screen due to the auto caption invert. This looks so beautiful. I think this is the most best I've made with CapCut and making use of a fake background. This is the best. So now I want to do screen record. You can see that I've turned on my screen record. So screen record this video to the ending part of the video, to where the video ends. Screen record it. I've screen record it. So just go to export the video. So next, go to that video that you exported, that particular video you screen record and exported. So this is the video that is screen recorded and exported. So click on edit and click on transform and click on resize. So just throw to the YouTube aspect ratio 16.9 and try to use your fingers to make it fit into the outline mark for YouTube aspect ratio. So this is it. This looks so good and well sized. So click on the dash button. So this is how it looks. Now just keep playing it, because CapCut watermark is for sure going to appear at the ending part of the video, and we don't want that to be so we are going to be deleting the CapCut watermark. This CapCut watermark, just click and delete it so that your video will be clean and clear for you. So export the video again, and after exporting this video which you just transform and export, click on it and slide to aspect ratio. Now when aspect ratio, click on the YouTube aspect ratio. So use your finger to drag it to size the camera. So this looks so good and so warm up as well. I love how everything is coming out. This looks so beautiful. So now play it. Everything is well laid, everything looks good, great, and everything looks so popping. So once more again, delete the CapCut watermark, because in each edit you do, CapCut watermark is going to show. Delete the CapCut watermark, and our video, that our 4K clean and clear video is ready without even paying for any pro package. So next, click on filter and add to adjust to make the video pop a little bit. Click on sharpen and use it to make fun. Just make fun while doing it. Just slide to any amount of sharpening filter you want. So this look great. I adjusted it in number 60. So this look great in the video, and our video is beautiful laid and ready. Just do it as to check the video again. If you want to play it, you can play it. Just make sure that everything is well laid and export the video. So now you have that video. Start creating your video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.